Now, second paragraph, the sound of the Shehnai begins to be considered auspicious. Clear? So, what from the very beginning? Its sound was considered by people. Considered means regarded by people auspicious. Auspicious means very pious. Clear? Pious. And for this reason, it is still played in temples and is an indispensable component of any North Indian wedding. Clear students, as its a sound was considered है ना और regarded very pure, pious, पवित्र मानी गई, and that's why this is the reason it is still played. आज भी बजाई जाती है in temples means in the temples. Beta, it is also played in South Indian temples till present day and is indispensable part. Indispensable means essential, which cannot be dispensed, which cannot be removed from some particular thing. So means essential or necessary. So it is an essential or necessary component of any North Indian wedding. In weddings, especially in movies, you have seen the playing of Shehnais in the marriage. Clear? In the past, the Shehnai was part of the Naubat or traditional ensemble of 9 instruments found at royal court. Listen, students, it was one of the most important instrument of that time because in the past what Shehnai was part of Naubat. Naubat, what is Naubat? Naubat is given here. Listen, Naubat. I'm sorry, Naubat. Naubat is actually what? The group of 9. No means 9. 9 instrument. The group of 9 instrument. The traditional ensemble. Ensemble group of musicians or instrument of 9 instrument found at royal court. So means at royal court there were group of instrument players and musicians in which 9 special particular instruments were there and they are called Naubat. Till recently, it was used only in temples and weddings. But now, in modern time, it was used only in temples and weddings. The credit for bringing this instrument onto the classical stage goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan. So this instrument becomes very popular in modern era only because of the efforts of Ustad Bismillah Khan. So the whole credit of making Shehnai famous goes to Bismillah Khan. As a 5-year-old, Bismillah Khan played Gilli Danda near a pond in ancient state of Dumran in Bihar. Listen students, now when we are introduced to the Shehnai, how it becomes Shehnai, how its name was origin, and after that why it is so popular and important in olden time and in the time of Bismillah Khan, and after that here the childhood incidents of Bismillah Khan's life is given. Clear? So what, why and when he was who? Bismillah Khan was 5-year-old boy. He played Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda you know very well. Near a pond in ancient state of Dumran in Bihar. It means it shows that he was born in Bihar. Bihar you know very well. It is a state. Dumran is a you can say city in Bihar where he was born. He would regularly go to the nearby Bihariji temple to sing the Bhojpuri Chaita. Chaita. Clear? So he would regularly go to nearby Bihariji temple. So he used to go to Bihariji temple to sing Bhojpuri. Bhojpuri, it is the local language of Bihar. Chaita. So Chaita is a rag, you can say, in music. So he just went there to sing this song, at the end of which he would, so not he particularly sing, his family members used to sing songs in the temple. Listen students, it is the time of olden time where there was no difference between the caste. Clear? Muslims were allowed to enter in temples and there were love between all those castes, so there was not any type of discrimination at that time, at the end of which he would earn a big laddu weighing 1.25 kg. Clear? So means what? And when he completed his song, at the end of which he would earn a big laddu, so for reward for his singing, he acquired or achieved a got 125 kg, I'm sorry, 1.25 kg laddu as a prize given by the local Maharaja. So there was also in Dubron a local Maharaj who presented him what? Such type of big laddu for the as a reward of singing that song. This happened 80 years ago. So listen students, when this chapter was written, so from that point it was the incident of 80 years ago, and the little boy has traveled to earn the highest civilian award in India, the Bharat Ratna. Listen student, this boy of 5 years who got 125 kg laddu for singing Chaita earned in his future the highest civilian award of India, Bharat Ratna. So how his journey took place from here to here, just see in the next para.